Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to build your very own Transformer robot car. This project is super exciting and a bit challenging, but don't worry, I'll guide you through every step. Ready to roll? Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the design and components. Your Transformer robot car needs to transform from a car to a robot and back. For this, you'll need a chassis, some motors, a controller, a remote control system, a voice assistant, and a power supply. Sounds like a lot? Don't worry, we'll break it down. For the chassis, use plastic or lightweight metal like aluminum. Make sure it's the size of a large toy car so all the components fit. You'll use hinges, gears, motors, and servos for the transformation mechanism. Next, let's talk motors. You'll need DC motors to drive the wheels and servo motors for the robot's arms and head. For the brain of your robot, you can use an Arduino, ESP32 or Raspberry Pi along with a motor driver module. For remote control, you can choose between Bluetooth or RF. A Bluetooth module like the HC05 works well with Arduino for remote control functionality. If you prefer a voice assistant, a basic voice recognition module like the Elishus V3 will do the trick. Don't forget a microphone and a speaker for voice commands. Lastly, power it all with a powerful LiPo battery to keep everything running smoothly. Alright, let's move on to the construction process. Start by building the chassis. Design and assemble it using plastic sheets or 3D printing. Make sure there's enough space for the motors and electronics. Install the DC motors at the bottom, connecting them to the wheels for movement. Next, install the servo motors for the robot's joints, arms and head to handle the transformation. Then integrate your microcontroller like an Arduino Uno or Nano. Connect the motor driver to the Arduino for effective motor control. For the remote control system, connect the HC05 Bluetooth module to the Arduino. You can use a remote control app like Blink or create a custom app. Alternatively, an RF transmitter/receiver module can be used for longer range control. Now let's set up the voice assistant. Connect the Elishus voice recognition module to the Arduino and program it to recognize basic commands like move forward, turn left, and transform. Easy peasy. Alright, let's get to the programming part. You'll need to write Arduino code to handle the robot's movement and tasks. Here's a quick example. CPP hash includes // motor library for controlling motors, AF_DC motor1, / connect motor1 to pin 1 AF_DC motor2, 2 / connect motor2 to pin 2 void setup, motor1.set speed 255 / set motor speed, motor2.set speed 255 / set motor speed void loop, motor1.run / move forward motor2.run / move forward delay 1000 / move forward for 1 second motor1.run release / stop motor1 motor2.run release / stop motor2 delay 1000 / stop for 1 second. Once everything's set up, it's time for testing and calibration. Test the car's movement, transformation and voice commands. If something's off, calibrate and adjust the code accordingly. Finally, add some finishing touches. Customize your robot car with LED lights, paint and decals to make it look awesome. And remember, secure all components properly to ensure nothing gets loose during movement. There you go. You've built your very own Transformer robot car. I hope you enjoyed this guide. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy building.